Alright, welcome on this video, and today I am going to teach you how you can use Loom, the tool that I am using to record myself and to record freelance to freedom. Ayan. So like I said in the backtrack, the reason why I am using Loom right now, because in my e-commerce course before, I don't use any software that I can show myself. Usually, ano lang yon, the screen. I'm showing the screen and also my audio. Kasi mahirap mag-record ng Facebook ads, guys. I have about 100 plus videos on my course sa e-commerce and Facebook ads. And if all the time I have to make myself presentable, minsan I'm trying to record ng wala akong tulog, wala akong makeup, I don't look good, ganyan. So sometimes I'm not comfortable in creating videos in the camera. But then my student said na it would be better if we can see you, coach, kasi parang kasama ka pa rin namin and not only listening to you, but we can see your voice and your energy, ganyan. So that's why I am doing this, for the love of you guys. It's an extra effort for me, yes, but that is okay if that's what you want. Now, okay, that's commercial. Set aside that. I spent a minute for that. Now, the reason I am using Loom in this transcription topic is because of this. There will be videos like this one that you can see. Oh, what happened to my face? Nawala yung camera. Okay, anyway, there will be videos like this. I hope it doesn't mess up kasi gagamitin natin yung Loom all throughout, no? Dahil yung Loom ang itinuturo natin in this video. Anyway, moving forward, sorry, nadidistract ako. There are cases where your clients will give you a link to a website that you cannot download. Remember, we are downloading the video para ma-convert natin siya into audio file, para mailagay natin siya sa mga machine transcript, di ba? That's where we put the file para madali siyang ma-transcribe. Ngayon, there are videos like this that there are no option for me to download. And even if I right-click on it, hindi siya downloadable. Hindi mo rin siya pwedeng ilagay sa Y2Mate because this is not a YouTube video. Alright? So basically, you hit a dead end or you hit a wall. So this time, ayan, so wala walang option talaga eh. Alright? So this time, dito papasok yung Loom. What we are going to do is we will be recording our screen. Ang importante lang talaga ay meron kang audio. Kailangan makuha mo, makapture mo yung audio para ma-transfer mo siya sa machine. Okay? So for example, like that. What I am going to do now, I am not sure if I can do it while I am using the software ha, kasi ginagamit ko yung Loom ngayon while I record with you guys. So I don't know if I will be disconnected or whatnot. Ang gagawin ko, I'll try to explain it to you without messing it up. Let's see. Okay, so you go ahead and click on record a video. Essentially, what we're going to do is we will record the screen. Kagaya ng ginagawa ko ngayon. No, I doubt that if I click this record, baka maputol yung ginagawa kong video. Actually, I'm having error right now. So, when I click on record a video, magkakaroon to ng parang ganito. Lalabas siya. Makikita mo yung self mo dito. You can hide it because you don't need yourself naman. All you need to do is just record this part, okay? So, ganun yung mangyayari. I'm not gonna try to record it because I might lose you. Like I said, I'm using the software. Click on record a video and then play this.
Joe Rogan is a media phenomenon. In 2019, his podcast, The Joe Rogan Experience, was reportedly downloaded.
Okay? So, pag natapos yung 4-minute video na yan, o 4 minute and 52 seconds na yan, then your video is done. Essentially, the reason why we're using Loom lang, again, is to capture the audio. We are recording this website because hindi natin siya mada-download in any way. So that, ang gagawin natin is just a trick in the book that we will be using our Loom or recording our screen. And then once it's done, you click on this, finish recording. You click on the check button. Matatapos yung recording at tapos nun, mapupunta siya dito sa Loom videos mo. Yan, kagaya niyan. At yung mga ni-record ko 3 hours ago, 2 hours ago, ganyan, about transcription. You can also create a folder here of the many videos that you have recorded Okay? I'm using premium, so todo talaga to. Now, let's say for example, ito siya. Halimbawa, ito yung ni-record mo na video na to. Nakukuha? So for example, ito siya. So na-save na siya. There are options here that you can use. On the three dots, you can click on this. You can move them and put them on their different folders. You can download. The most important thing is you can download this file. Okay? So click ko yung download. Downloading the video. Gano'ng katagal to? 7 minutes. So okay lang yan. Habang nagda-download siya, aside from being downloaded, you can also click on copy the link. So, para siyang embedded link. So, when you click on copy link, tignan mo, mapupunta siya dito. So, I copied ha. So, I click on copied, copy, link copied. Ang gagawin ko lang dito ay Control V or Command V sa Mac. And you can now watch it. Alright? So, ganun lang siya kadali. Yan. Kapag na-download to, yung file na to, this is an MP4 file na mapupunta siya sa document mo. Hintayin lang natin. Pero I know, alam nyo na kung ano mangyayari. Mapupunta siya sa file mo, tapos yun na, ready na yun. And then you will just go ahead and upload it to the machine. Now, if you ever hear your voice or any other sound in there, you can just go ahead and delete it naman. Remember, after the machine transcript, i-audit mo pa, right? I-edit, i-audit mo pa to make sure that it's splendid and perfect. Ayan. So, konti na lang naman. Hintayin na natin. Ayan. There you go. How to use Kieme Kieme. Sorry for the extra noise. My son is on the bed with me. Ayan, so ito na siya. So MP4 file na siya. Does it make sense? Nakuha nyo guys? So yun lang, yung ibig sabihin lang nun ay tinapi lang natin siya. We just tried to record this kasi there's no way to download. Okay? And then remove the extra noise, remove your voice or whatever doon sa transcript kung sakaling matatranscript man siya or makaka-capture man siya ng transcription. But essentially that's it. That's how you use Loom to capture videos that cannot be downloaded. Alright? So now, look at this one. I am going to use, I'm gonna click on the check mark to finish the recording. See you on the next video.